the moment has finally come. Time to unbox the all-new Holy Stone HS720. I mean, I'm really excited about this. This is probably the 4th drone I bought from this company. I started out with a little one for my kid, then it got addictive, so I got another one, and then I got one for myself. So I probably have about 3 of these already. This will be my 4th one, but I'm already impressed. I mean, nice box, nice case, zipper case. You open it up, and look at this thing, man. I mean, it's like a Mavic Pro, but for 1/3 of the price. I think I picked this up for like $300. And I guess this is a little accessory box, controller. That looks pretty familiar for all you high-end drone people. And there it is. Nice weight to it too, actually. Brushless motors. I think this is the battery in the back. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Wow, that's a good sized battery. But yeah, I'm gonna get this thing set up, charge it up, and then next video is gonna be first flight, and hopefully this thing lives up to the hype. But very excited about this drone.
Le flip là. Y'a pas le flip là? Le bouton là?